your internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 9 Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Barrington near Clinton to South Illinois, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof. Sighting, storm warning for northeastern Winnebago County near Roscoe, South Beloit, and Sharon around 8:15 p.m. Harvard, Poplar Grove, and Capron around 8:20 p.m. Hebron around 8:25 p.m. Wood radar indicated. Impact, Genoa City, and Richmond around 8:35 p.m. McHenry, Fox Lake, Johnsburg, Bull Valley, and McCullum Lake around 8:40 p.m. Lake Muir and Kiskadee Highlands around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Greenwood, Kemen, and Ringwood, including the following Interstate 90 between mile marker 0 and 4. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. 45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Greenwood, Kemen, and Ringwood, including the following Interstate 90 between mile marker 0 and 4. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.